Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you exactly how to create and post video on TikTok. Whether you are brand new or just want to learn the basics, this step-by-step guide will help you to get started. Let's begin. At first, make sure you have the TikTok app installed on your phone. If not, go to the App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android and download it for free. Once you are logged in, you are ready to start creating. At the bottom of the screen, tap on plus icon. This will open TikTok camera screen where you can record your video. Before recording, you can explore TikTok Fun Creative Tools. On the left bottom of the screen, you will find options like Effect, Filter and Beauty Tools. Just tap an effect to see how it looks and choose the one you want for your video. At the top of the screen, tap on Add Sound. TikTok has huge library of music and trending sounds. You can use it for free. Select the sound you like and it will automatically play during the recording. To record, simply hold down the red record button. You can record it one or go in a short clips, releasing and holding the button again as you go. TikTok also lets you to set a timer so you can record hands-free if you want to dance or perform. Once you finish recording, TikTok takes you to the editing screen. Here you can. After editing, tap next. Now you will see the posting screen. Here you can write a caption or description your video, add hashtag to reach more people, tag friends if you want, and choose privacy settings like whether you want video to be public, private or visible only to friends. Once everything looks good, tap post and your TikTok video will go live. And that's it. Now you know step by step how to make and post a video on TikTok with effects, sounds and editing tools. You can be as creative as you want. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials.